In today's video, I will be working with Arthur. Welcome, and we hope you will enjoy it. We will be giving you tips on what to do when you order a new phone. Before we can continue, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. This will notify you when we post new tech tutorials. Look at additional tech gadgets that are included in the box in addition to your phone when it comes out of the box. Check the contents of the box. Sometimes consumers don't have the time to think about other accessories other than their phones. The warranty period for the device is the most important factor to consider. As stated in the instruction manual or packaging, confirm that the accessories are complete. Resellers may occasionally take accessories out of the package and sell them along with the phone. Don't fall prey to this. Understanding your smartphone is the best thing you can do, especially if you purchased it from Amazon. If you bought the item online, be sure to indicate if it is broken or not damaged. If you purchased from Amazon and you've observed any damage, you should request a replacement warranty. Additionally, it is crucial to verify that all of the accessories are present and functional as stated on the packing or on the manufacturer's website. Be sure to read product reviews before making a purchase from an online retailer or website like Amazon. It's important to charge your phone before playing with it. Your phone has spent a lot of time in a box. To operate, it must be charged. Therefore, make sure to charge your phone once before using it in a hurry. You can now explore your phone as much as you like after giving it some juice. It's time to use your smartphone now that it has been charged. The first step is to connect your phone to your internet connection. Your new smartphone obviously needs a ton of apps that you have to download. This requires a strong Wi-Fi connection to complete. Wi-Fi is constantly required on new devices, and we regularly use the internet. The first step after connecting to Wi-Fi is to check for updates. Updating your smartphone keeps it secure, therefore you should do so. Make sure to check for updates. Companies send necessary updates to improve security and user experience. To update the apps, you can also go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Most likely, the apps have already been updated, but if not, you may manually update each one or enable automatic updates. More than 70% of mobile malware is created for the Android operating system. When it comes to automatic updates, new phones are preferable. Make sure to set your Google Play Store auto updates and to enable system updates whenever you update the apps. A Google account is required in order to install applications. If you don't already have a Google account, I advise creating one so you may download some apps. Your new smartphone will invite you to sign up for a Google account, but many individuals choose to do it later. If you don't have a Google account, you can't access the Play Store. You are now ready to go after making a new one. Make sure to sync your data and keep your Google account password safe. It's essential to choose a safe password to protect your account. In order to secure your account, you can also set up a two-factor authentication. You don't need to use the majority of the unnecessary services that phone manufacturers provide. Most of them are installed by default and cannot be deleted, but most of them may be removed by uninstalling them. So why waste time on the junk produced by manufacturers? If all they are interested in knowing is that you purchased the device? Removing unnecessary clutter is the best course of action. Most smartphone manufacturers include bloatware, or unwanted software, in their devices. The most annoying programs are bloatwares, and you want to get rid of them. To remove bloatware, go to the app settings and turn off any unnecessary third-party applications. They will return to the dark valleys of dead apps if you force them to quit or permanently disable them from the app details settings. Security is the main concern for buyers of new devices. When you use your new smartphones for banking or shopping, they have critical data on them. Having a fingerprint sensor or PIN code to control your device's security is one of the finest ways to fend off security attacks. Using strong passwords in your accounts and turning on two-factor authentication are further ways to protect your phone. Concerned that your old photos will disappear? If so, you must have a backup account where you may save all of your data and retrieve it from any location at any time. Although your phone has sufficient capacity, losing your phone could cause problems. Install Google Photos and configure it to provide free. It provides limitless storage for your images and videos. Or you may store your photos and videos on the cloud using other services like iCloud or OneDrive. The Google Play Store offers the most recent apps, and you may customize the way the applications you download behave. Visit the Google Play Store right away to explore many apps. Are you addicted to social media? If so, you should put useful applications on your new phone. The best thing about Android smartphones is that you can spend countless hours browsing and downloading the apps you need. The applications you enjoy the most should be installed. In the unlikely event that you forget your password or PIN code, you can reset it by turning on USB debugging. You only need to use your PC and a USB cable to reset your password, which is a rather easy task. Although this functionality is meant for programmers, it could potentially make it easier for viruses to infect your phone. It is preferable to keep USB debugging disabled. Operating system updates will soon be available. After buying a new smartphone, you need to upgrade to the most recent operating system release. You only need to upgrade to the most recent updates if your phone provider doesn't have a lot of storage space. It's important to keep your phone safe. When you start using your phone, you wouldn't want to drop it. For protection against unintentional drops, you need a phone case. Get a case for your smartphone to protect it. To prevent scratches on your phone screen, you can also install a screen protector. Thank you for watching, and please remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Ninotech KE. See you in the next video.